everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ryan and I am going to be cash stuffing my paycheck. So this is the last paycheck in February, and as you know, March is actually coming up soon, and March is basically our magical month because we get paid 3 times. So that's going to be really interesting. So for this payday, I'm going to only be stuffing $710 out of my $860 paycheck because I need a little bit of a buffer just in case. So my budget worksheets, this is basically something that I just designed for myself for my own budget. Basically, I'm going to have my due dates, which some of it isn't going to have due dates because these are just my goals right here, but the stuff that actually comes out like every few weeks or every month or so will be over here with a due date. But basically, if you haven't actually watched me or if you're new here, I do all of my bills bi-weekly, so which means I split everything up, and it just seems to work better for me that way, and I have a little bit more cash flow like to work with if I do it that way. So anyway, let's go ahead and get started. So I already counted the money out to 710, but I want to go ahead and count it for you guys because I know a lot of people like watching videos like that. Let me move the camera down some. See if I can get you guys in the camera. There we go. All right, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 5, 520, 540, 560, 580, 6, 620, 640, 650, 660, 670, 675, 680, 685, 690, 695, 775, 710. And I really want to thank all of my subscribers. You guys are amazing. This whole entire community is just so supportive. And it's just really cool that everybody comes together and, you know, supports everyone. And it just makes having a YouTube channel and all that kind of cool stuff even more, like, amazing. Because you actually get to interact with everyone, you know? And see their ways of like doing finances, and you learn a little bit too. And like, it's really cool. I love this budgeting community. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. So the black binder is my expense binder. So we're gonna go to that first. My rent is going to be $150 because it's $300 every month, because that's actually my part, because me and Jay, we share rent. So let me go to rent and get $150, which we now have 200, 250, 300. So that's all good to go. Rent isn't due until the 26th of this month. I have next my Mini Cooper. We're going to be stuffing $135. So we have 100, 20, 35. So that's 135. Oops. Shoot. Has that ever happened to anybody? Where you go to like close the envelope and it gets stuck in the little zipper? All right, so Progressive, we're gonna be stuffing $70. So that's 50, 60, 70. Now I just switched to Mint Mobile, and it's I have the minimum plan, which is 4 gigabytes, and it's every 3 months. So I only have to put in $25 for this month. So that's 25, because altogether it is $75. All right, so for AT&T, this is our internet. I am going to be putting in $50. So 20, it's 40 and 50. All right, I'm not gonna be putting anything in my credit cards this payday, because on March 2nd, it's gonna be auto drafted. I set up auto pay so that it can get auto drafted out. Affirm, I don't owe anything right now. For self, I don't owe anything right now. For food, I'm gonna put $100. For gas, I'm gonna put $40. Let me make sure that's right. Let's see, we're on gas. So yeah, $40 for gas. I've actually memorized all this stuff, so that's why I keep forgetting I have a worksheet. Okay, household gets 0 right now, and pets get 0 because they don't need anything right now. All right, so the next binder is going to be the sinking funds binder, and it's the blue one. So we're going to be starting with my savings right now. So we're going to put $100 in my personal savings. Oops, and that wasn't even closed. For debt, I am going to put $10 in. And I have now $20 in my debt, which, if you guys don't understand what that is, it's actually my collections. I actually have 3 collections. The first one, that is the lowest one, is $510, and that's the one that I'm going to try to pay off first. For car maintenance, what do I have for car maintenance? $5. So I think the rest is actually just all $5. Clothes get $5. Birthdays get $5, which is now going to be $25. Christmas gets $5, which it's now going to be $6, a total of $6 in there. For wedding, it's going to be $6 as well. And for the future home, it's also going to be $6, which $5 and $6 is what the total is afterwards. Okay, so that is it for my sinking funds. Now, this is what I wanted to talk to you guys about. This is going to be my challenge binder. So this is my new green binder that Jay got me, and I'm going to be putting all my challenges in it. The challenges that I previously did, I basically am starting over, but I'm not doing them right now. I'm probably going to pick it up probably in the next 2 months or so. Excuse me. But I just wanted to show you guys what I have. So the dollar challenge with the grapes, I reprinted it so we can recolor it and re-stash it or whatever. This one is just like the other one, but except for this one, I did away with the $50 because I thought that was a little bit too much to put on there. So the 20 envelope challenge, if I do all of them, it equals out to be $180. I have the Starbucks Saving Challenge, which each one of these is $2. So basically $1 and $1 is $2. So each bean is $2. I think I added it up and it's like $38 or something like that. This was supposed to be for March. It's the $5 Lucky Savings, which each of these 4-leaf clovers is worth $5. Then I have the Easter Egg Savings Challenge. Each one of these eggs is $1. I really want a new iPhone, so I basically am going to try and save $30 for each one of these. It's probably not going to be anytime soon, but I do want to get one of those. And now for my subscriber goal. Currently, I am at 100, so I actually wanted to color that in. And give me just a moment. So this is a Sharpie pack that I got at my job that they marked down for $5. So I totally had to get it. So I now have like a bunch of cool markers. And they have like metallic and all that kind of cool stuff. And then I have all these really cool ones down here. So I think what I'm going to be doing is probably going to do the red one. We're going to color in the little play button. So we're almost at 200. Last time I checked, actually, a crazy story. So this morning it was at 200. And then I told Jay, I was like, Jay, go check, it's at 200. And he looks and he's like, no, it's not. It's at 192. And I'm like, what? And then, I woke up to all these other comments saying, wow, you made it to 200 and everything. But then I was like, well, then why is it 192? And then all day today, I was like, kept checking it and it finally went up to 197. So that's how much, that's the last time I checked it was 197. So whenever we get to 200, I'll go ahead and mark that one off. And now we're going to go to my watch time. So my watch time is now over 100. We made it past 100, so I'm going to go ahead and color that in. And guys, if you haven't already like subscribed to me or whatever, go ahead and do so because it's going to be fun. I love making like challenge stuff in Canva, and I think it's going to be pretty fun. So I'm pretty creative at coming up with games and stuff. So now this one, I haven't seen this on any video before. So I have a problem of being late for work. So this one I made, it's called On Time for Work. So if I'm on time for work all week for week 1, I'll get $10. But every time I'm late, I have to -2 off of each clock, and whatever I make during that week is how much I'll give myself. And if I'm on time for every week that month, then I'll get $40, basically. I'll have $40 saved, and I can either use it to spend whatever I want or put it towards like other challenges. And of course, this is just receipts, which I've already done those. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. There's a lot more to come. Everybody just has to be patient. I'm not really a patient person. Like, I really want to like do everything, but then I have to keep reminding myself like, dude, I don't have the income to do that right now. So, it has to like come whenever I have the money to do so. All right, everyone, I hope you guys enjoy your night. Tomorrow is Friday, so, it's getting ready to be the weekend. I hope everyone enjoys their weekend, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.